Hello guys, so today I want to do a update video of the condo that I did a video of the switches of a month ago now. I'm staring at my channel page. And I also have something really brand new in front of me, which there is a video coming for it. I got a gaming monitor, which is gonna be a secondary monitor, not an actual gaming monitor, because I don't really play on PC. Plus, this is a 2019 MacBook Air, Intel MacBook Air, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be. Well, I was doing some Tetris on it, but that's running in the browser, so it's not really intensive. Well, apparently it is to this thing, because every time I play Tetris on this thing, it ramps the fan up for some reason, so whatever, that's fine. Good job, Apple. Yeah, I love this thing. Expect to buy a new freaking adapter because Apple doesn't have any ports on these, and this is one of the older MacBooks that it only has the 2 USB-Cs. The M1s have all the new ports now, but not, this is the 2019. That's off topic. That'll be for the video of this thing, which should be coming out soon, maybe, hopefully, depending on how this goes. But so there is some changes. None of the switches are changed, just a bunch of the light fixtures were changed because you wanted to change a whole bunch of them out. If you saw my video a few weeks ago, I got 2 free light fixtures from her because she didn't want one. That's the result of, if you watch that video, you can see it's mounted on my thing there, and then the other like fancy one is sitting over there because I still need to install it in the office, and I haven't done that yet. I'd like to do that before I start school, because I'm starting a new program on the 28th. I'm like, super excited. It's like an electrical coding electronics course at like at a post-secondary, not university, but at Saskatoon Polytech. The program's called Electronic Systems Engineering Technology. I'm starting on the 28th here. But anyway, so I did take some videos, no talking, because one, we finished up this job the day I filmed these clips, which were like, I think a few days ago, I believe. My stepdad was there, one of his employees was there, and the lady had pretty much, well, her stuff was all like stone boxes, but she was there, so I just recorded videos when I could, and I didn't say anything, so I'll be doing voiceovers. So, yeah, so I'm gonna throw you to those clips, and maybe if I'll come back, and if I need to, and I'll come back in real time. So here we go. Okay, in the kitchen, there's the 2 where the fluorescent dropper there was. There's another one added there, so that's what happened for that. Over the table, that little track light got replaced with the chandelier there. This track in the living room here is still the same. That didn't get changed. That random switch, still don't know what it did before, but now it does new LED strips under cabinet lights. Here's the other track light. It got moved to the den, replaced that modern fixture. The recess light in the main hallway got replaced with that fixture. Bathroom, 2 wall sconces, replaced the fluorescent light that was in the bulkhead there with these 2 wall sconces, as you can see. And then that's another one of those fixtures, replaced that globe one that I had. You can see there's the light up mirror, the little flush mount fixture that goes over a box, and then one of those wafer lights in the shower. The heat lamp got deleted, and and as you can see, that bulkhead with the fluorescent was gone. They actually couldn't put a wall light there because there was like a duct behind on the wall there, so they had to do a ceiling light instead. They had, I wish I had taken a video or photo of it. There's some weird vanity, like ceiling vanity fixture. It looked really weird, but it got replaced with one of those, like, as you can see, those little flush mount disc lights, the same ones that are in the kitchen. So I think that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.